guys, we are getting ready for school right now. We're almost ready, sharp. So trying to fix his lunch. This is kiwi and this is cucumber. Kobi say that it's cucumber. Kobi is correcting me that I used to call it cucumber. That I'm not right. That is called cucumber. Oh, you see, no. I have heard. So lunchbox is packed. Going to wear this my waka shoe. My waka shoe, because it's very easy to put on. And are you happy?
Yes.
Hey guys, so I'm going to throw this dustbin and take him because I want to buy some things at the supermarket near his school. So I'll just take you guys along. If I get to do like a shopping, yeah, something like that, I'll tell you. So now go now. Go now. You like this so? It doesn't even feel like it's winter again. Oh, shall we go? So guys, I just dropped him off and I'm going out to go buy some things that I needed. Yeah, we are back to school runs again, or we don't start. So I'm going out of the school now to go get the things. See you guys later. Let me check if I can get one or two here. There's no one or two. I actually want to buy oats here. Oatmeal. They did not have geisha again today, like that. I don't know. Each time I come here, the geisha is out of stock. I don't know why. When I came earlier, they didn't need today. Guys, I'm back. I just got back now. I'm boiling my morning tea. That's the sound you guys are hearing there. Like now, sorry. Like no. That I left the house with 250 TL. Just to pick few things, so I don't even finish picking egg and cola. That's what they do for you. Like I can't even believe it. I was asking myself, what did I pick? I take the money again, 250. Hey God. Now so now they do for here. Almost see you. Okay, here is bread and milk because I love buying bread and milk in this particular store. So here I decided to buy one more oats to add to the one we have. I bought tissue. The other day I went out, I did not buy tissue again. I forgot. I bought tissue. I bought cucumber that Kobe goes to school with. I bought pap. This is pap. That pap I used to make if I make akara. This is the pap. And I bought sugar. This is the only thing I bought. Egogo. Now so what they do for here. Guys, this thing is choking. So I'll just make my tea. I know what else to do today. I'm not even joining SPPD. Time I got. Let me just quickly join and start up my day. I need to do a lot of things today, but I'll talk to you guys later. Let me start up. I beg. I did talk too much.
2 hours later.
back again to my channel. How you guys doing? Good. This is later on, and I decided to cook this soup today because I don't have any other soup. The only soup in my freezer right now is that salad soup that I made last, just in case also fully like the one person will use and eat and it's finished. So I'll need to stock up. I didn't even cook soup for this February, and today is 20th of February, so I did not even cook soup for this month because the soup of last month is still remaining, and that's what we have been eating. So I'm preparing to make this egusi soup now. You guys have been seeing what I've been doing, yeah. So that is it, and I decided to take you guys along. Kobi have gone to school today. Is the first day of school for this term 2023, for second term, because of what happened in Turkey. So they just resumed today, and yeah, he'll be coming back around 3. That's why everywhere is silent and you're not hearing his voice. Yeah, you guys would have seen when he went to school. So that is it. So how you guys doing? Welcome back to another interesting vlog. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video. Of course, I know you will. And right now I want to wash that fish and put it in the meat to cook and soften, because I will be frying the egusi today, because I noticed I've been cooking like I haven't fried egusi for my family for like a year now. So I want to do it today, and yeah, now forget this entire white time for it. That's my mood today after the NSPPD prayer. That was my mood, like so that is it, guys. So that's that what to say in this vlog. Now what is that what to say now? Okay, I'll just be talking. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I don't even know if I have a full recipe of egusi soup on my channel, but yeah, if I don't, I'll just show you guys basically what I'm doing with this egusi today. And what else? And God, the sun this last week is mad. Like it's been like we're in sun, but it's cold though. But today I have to go and off it and see sun now. See sun. So that is it for today. So let's continue with our cooking. Anything I want to say, I'll sure pop in here and talk to you guys, okay? I blended it with what they used to call it again, ogiri. So I blended the egusi here with ogiri, and this is onion that I blended. So I'll be mixing it together. Still add water in it. So this is my oil. I'll be adding it now. Now I'll go over here using my egusi because so much oil. So guys, the egusi have been frying for some time. It's already burning. Say what is already is burning. Yeah. Yes, I'm grilling the fish here. Hey, what you want to look? Thank God I checked it now. So I decided to grill that one fish, to give it this I taste in my egusi. That's what I want. The sun is sunning. And I'm feeling heat already. I have to go remove my jacket, the sweater that I was wearing before. It's like I've even opened windows because it's hot and I'm cooking. Can't be before your woman because heat is too much here. I prefer to do this one because I'm now really not gonna stainless pot now, so I prefer to fry it separate and put it in here together later on. Okay. From school.
Yes, yes, I'm the best school. I'm a genius. I make my teacher happy and I behave.
Kobe behaved today in the school and the teacher said he was a good boy. He didn't give any trouble. He was just so good. And I have to reward him. What did I give you? Go and show them what I give you for being a good boy. So I give him one chocolate. There is one chocolate I bought. I bought it like I will give any day. I told him any day the teacher said Kobe is a good boy. I give him so he always behave. So I just finished cooking the soup right now. Let me show you guys. Let me dish it up and show you guys. Shayo. I'm eating it with one swallow, Sha. Yep. So guys, this is later on. Want to go to bed? Want to go to bed right now? You guys, my husband traveled, but he's coming back tomorrow. So, it's only I and Kobe that is in the house. I want to just show you guys this thing and end this vlog. Let me just show you guys what is Kobe, what Kobe's daddy bought for him.
What is for you?
You want to unbox for them?
Yes.
Oh yeah, show them now.
That means that I show you my shoe.
Mm-hmm.
It shows.
Bring it out from the nylon first now.
Okay.
Kobe made an unboxing today.
Yes. You see?
Mm-hmm.
And I open it.
Yes.
Let me show you.
Okay.
What's that? Let me check. Is that the winter boots? Let me check. Is that? Whoa, let me check. That is side. Let me check his puppet.
Kobe, do you know that I'm recording this thing? I don't want this video to be long. Be doing fast.
Okay.
Something that you just do like this. Is that how Spider-Man used to unbox? Spider-Man would just use one hand and open the thing like this.
Yeah! But I play super truck boots.
Your super truck boot.
Yes.
Oh, I'm feeling it.
I show everyone to school.
Space war. You show everybody in the school.
Yes.
It's not snow, you know. It's not snow. It's any day that it's snowing or it's raining. The ground is wet. That's the day you wear it. So his daddy bought this shoe for him. This boot for him. You guys know I've been wanting to buy it. Even when I go to shop with him, he will be pointing it. He will be pointing. Thank God his daddy went out and bought it for him. Can rest is here. Did you say thank you to your daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy that is not around. So you guys have seen this one now. The other day I just brought it out and wash it and hang it. And this turtleneck. This turtleneck that he has already worn one today to school. He wore it inside his school uniform because of cold. So this is the one here. This is the black one here. He wore it today for school. So I just want to pack them. Hold on, I told you to put Kobe to bed. If there's anything I'm going to sort out, I have a video to finish editing today, so it will go up tomorrow. You know that that's what is happening to me. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. God bless each and every one of you. Hope you gave us a thumbs up today. you could a thumbs up, maka conscience gap. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you love it. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And to our return amazing, beautiful subscribers, God bless each and every one of you, for me or for us, for always coming back to support, to like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh God, okay, how do you want your blessings? How do you want your blessings to start coming? It's already on the way. It's already there with you. Okay, receive it in Jesus' name. So that's it for this video, and I'll sure see you all in my next one. And we say what? Bye. Kobe, you did not say bye.
Bye.
They are not seeing you. Bye.